All right, today we have some Pokemon cards. This is the Japanese Pokemon Card 151 set. I think it's still waiting to come out in the US as of the filming of this. Maybe by the time I get this out, it'll already be out. I think there's about 20 packs in here, if I recall. And I said this is the Japanese release. One of the cool things the Japanese set has that the English set won't have is there's some other holos in here that have Pokeballs on it. There's like a normal Pokeball and there's a Master Ball pattern. So we'll see if we get some of those. There's, I think, a total of 210 cards. There's 3 ultra rares and there's some art rares in there as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and start getting it open here. I'll post some of the breakouts of what cards are in it on the screen there. Box got a little beat up here in shipping, which is kind of annoying, but got a nice little tamper seal here. There we go. Nice little display setup. Here are the packs. And they have a really cool, like, reflected pattern, like the Mew's eyes kind of pop out. So this set includes basically all the original 151 Pokemon. That's kind of what they're focused on. So you get all the classics in here. And let's go ahead and take a look at the pack. See the breakout there in the top right. They never include the ultra rares in the info sheet. But yeah, there's 7 cards per pack, and I think you're supposed to get 2 holos on average, something like that. All right, here we go. Here's the nice gold backs Japanese set. We got Execute, I think, there. Ooh, and that's our first art rare. Got I think that's Bulbasaur back there. A little mixed up. Here's our holo. All right, and this is just a normal holo, or oh, this is a rare. Okay. I think, okay, I guess the art rare counted as a holo. These are the 2 hits there. This is my first time opening up Japanese packs myself. So here's our first Pokeball holo. Ooh, a nice, we got a double rare here. Got some stars on it. The new EX cards. And some base cards. Staryu, Growlithe, Snake one. Ooh, and then we got a little Charizard. Another Pokeball. And then a regular holo is a Beedrill. Honestly, I get the evolutions mixed up a little bit sometimes. Goldat, I think that one is. See if I can identify the difference between the normal one and the Master Ball holos. Everyone's Eevee. Ooh, look at that. Art rare. Charizard in the canyon. Very cool. Yeah, another. I think that's Staryu's evolution. I forget what it is. That's, I think, Mankey or Mankey's evolution. I'm definitely not the Pokemon expert. I do like the cards. Especially the first 151. We got another Pokeball one there. Another holo. Normal Charizard there. A Weeping, something like that. Another Pokeball. Grimer, I think. There's the rare. We got a Furo. Little Bulbasaur. Oh, I like that card. Art in that. Another Pokeball there. And we got ourselves a double rare. Flick the tongue. Another Pokeball. I think Mr. Mime there. Rare. Another Pokeball. Here's our rare. So wait, was it 9 cards per pack? 7 cards per pack. 20, so 140 cards. We'll fill out quite a bit of the collection. Obviously, there's going to be some duplicate common and uncommon. Ah, there we got the Ultra Ball. Wasn't sure if I'd recognize it, but yeah, that's pretty obvious. There's our rare. Rattata. There. Zubat there. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we got a secret rare. A little Mew. That is very cool. I think the Mew might be my favorite so far. Another Pokeball. Is that Jigglypuff? That's a cool card as well. It's double rare. All right, we got another art rare. I'm glad they started including stuff like this because a lot of the Pokemon cards are kind of boring. And since they started doing the art rares, they really stepped up their game. There's a rare. All right, a few more packs left. Wrong stack. There's our Pokeball. And there's our rare. So just one Ultra Ball holo so far. We have our Snorlax Pokeball. Another rare. I think that's Tentacruel. Is that right? The one left there. And another Muck. Another Pokeball holo. I forget what that's the one of the legendaries, I think. The rare. Snorlax there. Got like 4 more packs. Execute. That's cool. Like supposed to be Vegas in the background. More packs. Got Psyduck. There's our double rare. And 2 more packs. The Pokeball holo. There's our rare. And final pack. Something good. Normal holo and just the rare. So we ended up with 3 art rares. Beautiful looking cards. We had the super rare Mew EX. And then we had 1 Master Ball holo. And then we had 1 normal Pokeball holo of a rare card. Not too bad. And then finally we had 4 double rares. And that's kind of the highlight of the break. Probably not really worth buying a box set at this point. Prices are still pretty high. Maybe they'll go down, but I think the English set should be out now. But still very cool looking cards, and I love the fact that there are multiple holos. Till the next time.